Welcome to DIY RV and Home Camper's Life. My name's Greg. Today, we're tearing the wall out. That's right, that wall that we put in to cover all those components up that we just got done putting in with our RV electrical system upgrade, link right there. We're tearing that wall out. Why do you say that? Well, let's bring it around, come around and take a look. Now, I built the wall and I actually put an access panel right here that I can come in and open up and get to all my stuff right here if ever need be. Then I close it up, get it all out of the way. I don't like it. I don't like the way it came out. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take this wall out. I'm going to cut it right there, all the way down. Build me a new piece right here for the end, and then we'll hinge it all together. We'll put a little bit of a gap down on the bottom, a little bit of a gap on the top, so it'll swing open nice and easy. We can open it up and we can make access. The only thing that'll be in the way is this piece of wood right here that is acting like a stud. So without further ado, let's get set up. Let's get going. project done. Let's take a look at her. As you can see, we've got the wall in place to protect all the equipment that we have behind it. We do have an access panel here, door, that is hinged. I've just got a nail in it right now, works great as a pin. Pull that, open it up, we can access the fuse and the breakers along with the catastrophic fuse. If we have to go further, it's just a few screws that we undo and we can actually take the whole wall out. If we want to, we can take the 2 pins off of the hinges and actually remove the whole access panel while we're working on it. Closes up real nice and easy. Not going to go anywhere. You can see we do have vent holes on this side. We also have area above to allow the heat to escape. I will be doing some touch up on it. And last but not least, over on this side, we do have a 12-volt auxiliary outlet that we put in, along with a USB type A and C charger. So we can be charging up our accessories while we're outside camping, not running in and out all the time. And we have that 12-volt if we need it right there. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit the like button, subscribe, and share the video. Till next time, you guys, happy camping.